forward, back, left, and right. Some basic parameters to be modified and set are explained as follows. 1. In case of flame cutting, press F4 on the main menu to enter the interface for parameter setting, and F3 on the lower part of the menu to set flame cutting parameters. The preheating delay is selected as follows: 100 units, mm/second. The preheating time is adjustable during the process of operation, and other factors may not be adjusted. Press F7 to save and F5 to control flame 0. Plasma 1. 0 means unselected, and 1 means selected. Set the parameter to 0 when the cutting process has been set to flame cutting. Finally, press F7 to save and ESC to return to the main menu. Flame setting is completed. Two. In case of plasma cutting, press F4 on the main menu to enter the interface for parameter setting. Then, press F4 plasma to set plasma cutting parameters. Select arc voltage testing as 1 and cornering off hardening distance mm to 0.00010 mm. Set the penetration delay parameters according to the thickness of the cut sheet. Other parameters will not be adjusted. Press F7 to save and F5 to control flame 0. Plasma 1. 0 means unselected, and 1 means selected. Set the parameter to 0 when the cutting process has been set to flame cutting. Finally, press F7 to save and ESC to return to the main menu. Then, flame setting is completed. There are two cases to calling graphs: system graphs and U-disk graphs. 1. In case of calling in of system graphs, press F6 Graph Database on the main menu to enter the Graph Database interface. Select the graph needed and press Enter. Set the dimensions of the graph and then submit F6 to submit and ESC to return to the main menu. The graph selected may be seen from the F1 Auto F4 graph. Two. In case of U-disk reading in, press F3 on the main menu to edit, F6 for U-disk and F1 to input. The preset file name will appear. Press Enter to confirm and F3 to save. Press Enter and then ESC to return to the main menu. Press F1 for order and F4 to view the graph. All the cutting procedures. Press F1 on the main menu for order, X for blank line and green key to start. Check if the graph travels according to the normal route.